Hello friends and potential friends. Kind of disappointing looking, isn't it? I figured I'd better do a finalization of the butternut squash from the grocery store. Not a whole lot to say. Now, this is all my fault. I've had to be out of town off and on over the last month, and the last time I came back home, I came out here and looked, and something had eaten every leaf off of the plants that had survived. As you can see, there's only a couple of them. I'd planted 9 originally, but this one I'm gonna have to declare a failure. All my own fault, so I wasn't here to take care of them, but we'll have to give that a shot again one of these days. See if we can make it into a success at some point. But anyway, that's the end of the butternut squash from the grocery store. See you next time.